This is the Hello World Podcast. Tom, any last piece of advice to our listeners who are about to or are in the early stages of the business experience?
I do think we probably covered it all, and probably several times. You seized on a key concept based on some of the points I made. I think you said it a lot more eloquently when you talked about self-awareness. I would just repeat that point, is that this always has to work for you. At the end of the day, it's you staring up at your ceiling as you go to bed, those really like quiet 3 a.m. in the morning thoughts, and just make sure every decision you make is right for you. You don't owe anybody anything else. Just make the decisions that are right for you. So that's really, that's one parting thought, Louis. The other parting thought is how grateful I am that you guys had me on your podcast. I really admire the work that you mentioned Lorraine by name, but how you and your staff, I admire the work that you guys do. I admire the content you put online. It's a real honor to be part of this show tonight. And I hope that I delivered and I gave you some content that's good and that your viewers can benefit from.
Definitely, Tom. You also inspired us and motivated us to really go further. A lot of people in LinkedIn, just like you, who would appreciate what we do, are now our inspiration. It's no longer about looking for clients, because it's the paradox. The more you give, I believe, the more you give, the more you also receive. Hi everyone, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.